Hey guys, good afternoon from beautiful sunny Mazatlan, where it's beautiful and sunny. It's probably about, 75, 76 degrees. Clear blue sky, little breeze, kind of a little chill in the air if you're in Mazatlan. If you're new to this channel, what this channel is about a Canadian guy that moved to Mexico 11 years ago and had a lovely Mexican girlfriend who I still love very much, but I don't live with anymore. And she and I get along great, but we get along better. We don't have to live together. And I really hope you don't think it's one of these travel channels, or because it's not. It's something completely different. And so what's going on today? I went down to my local little pub here. It's called Olympia, and had a couple of beer. Came back home in a Pulmonea. That's one of those little golf cart type of taxis that are here in Mazatlan. And just got here, and finally, Telmex has arrived. I reported a failure with my internet on Monday morning. Tried all weekend to do it online. You couldn't. This is what the channel is about. It's like things don't happen here like they happen in Canada or the United States. It's completely freaking different. So, try to report it, couldn't, said, oh, you need not a contraseña, you need an account number. I don't have an account number. And I enlisted the help of a friend who speaks perfect Spanish to try and get through online. No. And I said, the only number I know I have is my telephone number. And so she said, that's not working. I said, okay. I walked down to the office. Saturday, early in the afternoon, closed for the weekend. So I waited till Monday morning. I went down. I told him what happened. And I told the guy, and the guy spoke really good English. I said, tried all weekend to report this outage. Nothing. And I told him why. I said, they say I need a contraseña. God, I don't know what the word is in English. Like a password, a code. Yes. So anyway, I said, I don't have one. And he said, no, your telephone number is your contraseña. And I said, well, that's what I thought. And we tried to use that. Didn't work. Anyway, he reported it. So today, as luck would have it, the gods shined on me today. I dropped into the Olympia, had a couple beer, came back home. I wasn't home here sitting down 10 minutes when Telmex pulls up. And the guy's down there going up the pole trying to fix this thing. But a neighbor had cut down a tree, and I think that allowed enough slack in the line, because I think the line must have run through the tree somewhere. He didn't damage the line, but we had a big windstorm Friday night. No internet since. But thank God, the reason I'm able to give this to you now is my neighbor, Gregoria, such a nice lady. She allowed me to use her internet. She gave me her contraseña. So, the guy's here as we speak. He's climbing poles. Anyway, I hope to have my internet soon. This morning I get out and I edited a video I made on Saturday of myself and my buddy Jaime out and walking with Glenda and some of the local characters here. It's in my computer, but I can't figure out a way to get it to my phone where I have Gregoria's internet. And when I got the internet this morning, we did it with the use of a QR code, and I only just recently realized, like this week, that you can do that. Lapita showed me how to do that, and she's a school teacher. She was leaving 7 o'clock this morning to go to work, and anyway, I had internet today, thank God. I just hate not being able to check on my emails and my YouTube channel. Anyway, guys, hit the best thing you can do. If you like this channel, if you enjoy the content, is you can hit the like button Hit subscribe if you haven't hit subscribe. What the? Right. Jeez. Anyway, hit subscribe and watch the videos to the end. As the video is playing, you'll see a button that says share. Share it on your YouTube. Tell people, hey, watch this guy. He's down in Mexico. He's showing us what it's like to live in Mexico. That's all I ask. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. I should have internet soon, and I'll post that Saturday video because I think it's so much fun. I mean, in different bars and riding around in Pulmonías and all the crazy traffic here on Saturday afternoon. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.